From this video, I would like to explain how to draw the graph of the given polynomial from AP and Telangana State Boards, Class 10 Maths, Exercise 3.2, third question, first one. That is, draw the graph of the given polynomial and find the zeros, justify the answer. First one is P of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So this is the first question. Before going to draw this graph, we need some basic points to draw the graph. For example, I will check one example from this textbook only. First, the example problem is given polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. So this is P of x is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4. To get y order pairs xy, we need y here. P of x is equals to y. Then the quadratic polynomial will be y is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4. Substitute some values in x. In this problem, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taken and found y values taken xy order pairs, that means points. From this point, by using these points, here drawn the graph of the polynomial. It is called, the shape of the quadratic polynomial is parabola. I raised one question to you. Here some questions are there. Total 5 problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems are there. From this example, x values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this problem, for this problem also, shall we take the same values of x? Exactly no. Why? According to the zeros of this polynomial, we have to take these points. For some problems, we will take from minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 like that. For some problems, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So to avoid this confusion, I suggest you, first of all, find the zeros of the polynomial by rough work. Then only you take these points like this, according to the zeros. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The first problem is, draw the graph of the polynomial P of x is equals to x square minus 12. Solution. Here, given polynomial is P of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. By using order pairs, we have to draw the graph here. But here, there is no y in this quadratic polynomial. So, let P of x is equals to y. Then, the polynomial will be, let P of x in the place replaced by y. Y is equals to x square minus x minus 12. By using some order pairs, we have to draw the graph of the polynomial and we have to find the zeros. So, to take the values of x, substitute the values of x, it is a little bit confusion. So, I suggest you first do rough work and find the zeros. To find the zeros, there are 3 methods. Factorization method, second one completing the square method, third one quadratic form, by using quadratic form. Why? This is a quadratic polynomial. So, suppose let y is equals to 0, this equation will be quadratic equation. So, by using quadratic form also we can find. So, in 2 ways, either factorization method or quadratic form, we can find the zeros. Here find by factorization method. To take the order pairs, leave some space here, and side do rough work verification. By using this zeros only, it is better to take the order pairs, then only we will get the neat diagram of the given quadratic polynomial. So verification, let y is equals to 0, then it will be x square minus x minus 12 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Factorization method, first multiply the coefficient of x square, that is 1 here, and constant term. So 1 into minus 12, this is resulting number is minus 12. This resulting number is minus 12. Take the all possible factors of for resulting minus 12, value minus 12. Take the all possible combination factors. Minus 12 we can write as 1 into minus 12 or minus 1 into 12 or 2 into minus 6 or minus 2 into 6 or 3 into minus 4 or minus 3 into 4. In this combination, only one combination will suitable here to get the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1. So after adding this combination, we should get minus 1. So 1 plus of minus 12. After adding these two factors, we will get minus 11. So this is not suitable. And minus 1 plus 12. This value, minus 1 plus 12 value, 11. So this is also not suitable. By splitting minus 6. So 2 plus of minus 6. That value is, total is minus 4. So here minus 1 is there. So it is also not suitable. Minus 2 plus 6. Total is sum is 4. This is also not suitable. 3 plus of minus 4. 3 plus of minus 4. This value is minus 1. So this is suitable for here. Check this remaining combination also. Minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 value 1. But here the x coefficient is minus 1. So this is also not suitable. So only suitable combination is 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4 is equals to minus 12. And after adding these two combination factors, 3 plus of minus 4, we will get the coefficient of x. So write x square minus x minus 12 like this. X square minus x, write like this by using this combination factors, 3x plus 3x minus 4x. This is the only one way to do this splitting method, minus 6, and write minus 12 as it is. Take these two terms next, x square plus 3x. In both terms x is common, so in first term remaining x, in second term 3. Here in both terms minus is there, and 4 table will cancel in minus 4x and minus 12 also, so common 4. Remaining value in this term x. To get minus, here write plus, then only we will get minus 12. Minus into plus, minus. 4 in 12, 3 times. So check once again to get to above the equation. X into x, x square. X plus into plus, plus. X into 3, 3x. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x. Minus into plus, minus. 4 3s are 12. So this is perfect. So this in this both terms x plus 3 is common. So common it. And remaining value is x minus 4 is equals to 0. So take the two terms equals to 0. X plus 3 is equals to 0. And x minus 4 is also 0. X plus 3 is equals to 0. Send plus 3 that side, it will be x is equals to minus 3. And x minus 4 is equals to 0. So take send minus 4 that side, it will be plus. So x is equals to 4. For this quadratic polynomial, minus 3 and 4 are the zeros. Minus 3 and 4 are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. In these two zeros, least value is minus 3 and greater value is 4. So take one value of preceding of minus 3 integer, that is minus 4. To get the neat diagram of the given quadratic polynomial, take the preceding value of the least number. So this is minus 4, and take the next number minus 3, and take all the integers between minus 3 and 4. So take minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one of the zero of this polynomial, and take one succeeding integer of 4, that is 5. So to avoid the confusion, to take the x values, first of all it is better to find the zeros of the polynomial and take the values in the place of x, all these values. Then you will get perfect diagram of the given quadratic polynomial. So now you take the order, that is first one is x, second one is y. Y is equals to tabular form. Y is equals to what is that? X square minus x minus 12. And next order pair x comma y. X comma y. And take all these values. First one is minus 4. Second one is minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 1. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then form a table and substitute these values. Take minus 4 first. Substitute in this polynomial, that is equals to y is equals to x square, that is minus 4 whole square, minus of minus 4 minus 12. That value is minus 4 whole square. Minus square plus 4 square 16. So it will be plus minus of minus plus 4 plus minus 12. First you add plus terms. 16 plus 4, that is 20. 20 minus 12, that is equals to 8. So y value is 8 for the value of x minus 4. So the order pair, first order pair is minus 4 comma 8. Like that, find the all values. Next minus 3. Y is equals to minus 3 whole square minus, in this equation minus is there already, x value minus. So minus of minus 3 minus 12. Minus 3 whole square. Minus square plus 3 square 9. Minus of minus plus 3 minus 12. Adding plus values, 9 plus 3 12. 12 minus 12, that is equals to 0. So the order pair is minus 3 comma 0. By observing the verification, minus 3 is one of the zero of the polynomial. So here only we got the same. For the zeros, y value should be 0. So what we did is write, take minus 2 in the place of x. Y is equals to minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus 12. Minus 2 whole square, that is 4. Minus of minus plus 2 minus 12. Adding plus terms, 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 12 is equals to minus 6. So for minus 2, y value is minus 6. And substitute minus 1 in x, that is minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 12. So minus 1 whole square means 1, minus of minus plus minus 12. So adding plus values, 1 plus 1 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 means minus 10. So the order pair is minus 1, the y value is 10. So minus 1 comma minus 10. Next substitute 0. We can write the y value without substituting 0. In the place of x we substitute 0, then we will get the constant term only. So the y value minus 12. Substitute, but you substitute and verify. 0 square minus 0 minus 12. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 12, that is equals to minus 12. So 0 minus 12. And 1, substitute 1. 1 square minus 1 minus 12. So 1 square 1 minus 1 minus 12. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So the resulting value is minus 12. So order pair is 1 comma minus 12. From this one we will repeat this y coordinates. We can get the next values minus 12 after minus 10, minus 6, minus 0. So here we will get minus 10, here we will get minus 6, here we will get 0. Next substitute 2. Y is equals to 2 square minus 2 minus 12. 2 square value 4 minus 2 minus 12. So 4 minus 14. Adding plus value after negative values you add. 4 minus 14 minus 10. So per 2 you will get minus 10. This is order pair. Substitute 3. Y is equals to 3 square minus 3 minus 12. 3 square value 9 minus 3 minus 12, that is minus 15. 9 minus 15, that is minus 6. So for 3 minus 6. Substitute 4. Y is equals to 4 square minus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 4 minus 12 minus 16. So resulting value is 0. So for 4, 0. So for any zeros of the polynomial, the y value should be 0. That's why we got for 3 the y value is 0, and for 4 we got 0. So what we did is write and substitute 5. Y is equals to 5 square minus 5 minus 12. 5 square 25 minus 5 minus 12, that is minus 17. So we got 8. So 5 comma 8. These are the order pairs. So by observing these values, x values, coordinates of x coordinates are the very smallest values, minus 4, minus 3, 2, 1, 5, and observing the y coordinates little bit larger numbers, minus 12, minus 10. But observing the y coordinates, all are the even numbers, 8, 0, minus 6, minus 10, 12, 10, 6, 0, 8. So in this graph, take 1 centimeter as 1 unit on x-axis and 1 centimeter as 2 units on y-axis. Why? Because here all y coordinates are even numbers. So then we will get the graph neatly. So take the graph as 1 centimeter as 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter as 2 units on the y-axis. Now we have to look at these points, order pairs. First one is minus 4 comma 8. So on x minus 4 and y value 8. So for minus 4 the value is 8. So this is the first point, minus 4 comma 8. Plot the point. And second point, minus 3 comma 0. This is represents minus 3 comma 0. And third point, minus 2 comma minus 6. For minus 2 y value is minus 6. So for minus 1 the value is minus 10. So for minus 1 on x-axis, that value is minus 10 and minus 12. So this is the point. And for 1 minus 12 again, for 1 minus 12, and for 2 minus 10, for 2 minus 10. This is represents 2 comma minus 10. And for 3 minus 6, for 3 minus 6, and for 4 0. So look at this point immediately. For 4 0, for 5 8, for 5 8. So in order, according to the order pair, you draw the line. The graph of the quadratic polynomial, this is a quadratic polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is 2. The graph of the quadratic polynomial is the shape represents parabola. The parabola represents by the curves only. So take the curves. So they don't use a scale. With by hand only join these points in order, in according to this order only. So without lifting pencil, you join. First you draw roughly without touch the graph, and after that you draw neatly. So this is the graphical representation of this given polynomial. After that, plot this, look at these points. The first one is minus 4 comma 8. Like that you look at these points, mention the points. After that, write the scale. Scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter as 2 units. And this parabola represents y is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So y is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So the graph portion is completed and problem is not completed. Draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 12 is completed, and find the zeros. It is not completed. How can we find the zeros? Here, what are the zeros by verification? Minus 3, minus 4. In the graph, where are the minus 3 and 4? Here, the graph intersects the x-axis set minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. In these points, x coordinates are the zeros of the polynomial. So write the conclusion here. The graph intersects the x-axis set minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. In these 2 points, the x coordinates of these 2 points minus 3 and 4. So there are the zeros of the polynomial. Therefore, the zeros of the given polynomial are minus 3 and 4. And the problem is not finished. Last question is there. That is, justify the answer. How can we justify the zeros of this polynomial? The zeros of the polynomial are where the graph intersects the x-axis. Where the graph intersects the x-axis. In that points, x coordinates are the zeros of the polynomial. That is the conclusion. So therefore, I noticed that this is the conclusion. I noticed that the zeros of the polynomial are the x coordinates. In these points, x coordinates of the points which points where the graph intersects the x-axis. Graph means the shape of the parabola. So where the graph, so this is the way to do these problems. These are the important problems and compulsory problems for 4 marks. So you should learn these problems. So if you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.